The JM21 Hi-Res Music Player, equipped with the innovative Snapdragon 680 processor, delivers exceptional performance with reduced power consumption, ensuring a smooth and efficient music experience. Running on a customized Android 13 system, this device allows users to easily install and use various streaming applications, providing flexibility and convenience. The dual CS43198 DACs and powerful operational amplifiers provide a remarkable audio experience, offering balanced output power and effortlessly driving both headphones and large over-ear models. With a sleek design, the JM21 is only 13 millimeters thick and weighs just 156 grams, making it easy to handle and carry around. The impressive battery life of 12.5 hours means you can enjoy uninterrupted music from morning till night without needing to recharge. The advanced digital audio purification system, along with custom femtosecond crystal oscillators, ensures that audio quality is maintained, offering a pristine listening experience.